morning. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to the beach and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. And I have work in the afternoon, so I don't think I'm gonna be at the beach the whole day, but we'll see. And this is my first vlog with my new hair, so it's gonna be a good vlog. It's gonna be a good day, it's gonna be a good life, and it's gonna be amazing. Everything's gonna be amazing. So I already got changed. I changed into my bikini. I'm not gonna show you guys because no. So I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna pack my bag and then we're out of here. And let's go to the beach. Let's go.
Ja, das hast du. Aha. Ist das Buch weiter? Njam, njam.
So I just came home and I'm not gonna be doing much today. I think this is gonna be the end of the video. I know it's really short, it doesn't matter, it's quality over quantity, am I right? So if you enjoyed this vlog, please make sure to subscribe and like, and if you don't, I'll find you.